Ministry Department of Abnormal Phenomena. An instruction guides to detecting a skinwalker. The guide contains a list of the most common skinwalkers, and a characterization of their appearance, along with information on how to detect one with provided policies for your security and protection. This manual is a valuable tool for anyone who has ever been involved in encountering a skinwalker, or who is considering becoming consumed. 1. Be conscious of your surroundings. Pay attention to what is happening around you and trust your intuition. They can be creeping everywhere. 2. Stay cautious. Keep your phone and a weapon near your sight. If you see an identical statuette of yourself, run away and call for assistance. That is not you.
How to detect if an individual is a skinwalker. Insignificant changes in the human characteristic. From abnormal body proportions to deformed complexion, we will conduct the various types of skinwalkers to be encountered.
Stay indoors, lock your entrances and don't let anyone in. In case of emergency or the skinwalker showcasing impulsive aggression, do not hesitate. Shoot, 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 shoot.
If you encounter a skinwalker with no weapon for protection, call these departments, which have been provided to protect its residents from such hazards.
So, Miss Lottie, from what I'm hearing, are you insisting you're skinwalker?
I'm not insisting, I know for sure. Please, you don't understand my life is in fucking danger?
I feel like you are overreacting, Miss Henderson. There's no such thing as a skinwalker.
No, you don't fucking understand. That is not my mother. I want the mother back, please. This is not a joke.
Please take this behavior somewhere else, Miss Henderson. We have other things to do than deal with a teenager's freaky dreams.
Five. Trust no one, not your companions, not your family, not yourself. Let's go through the procedure one more time. 1. Be conscious of your surroundings. Pay attention to what is happening around you and trust your intuition. They can be creeping everywhere. 2. Stay cautious. Keep your phone and a weapon near your sight. If you see an identical statuette of yourself, run away and call for assistance. 3. Stay indoors, lock your entrances and don't let anyone in. 4. In case of emergency or the skinwalker showcasing impulsive aggression, do not hesitate. 5. Trust no one, not your companions, not your family, not yourself.